Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we will be unboxing and trying out these Apsara charcoal pencils. I got them for about 50 for 3 of them, 48 in the store. So they have 3 pencils inside this. Let's see how they work. I've only always used charcoal in the form of sticks. This is the first time that I'm using it as a pencil, so I'm quite excited to use them. They have 3 over here. It says soft, hard and medium. So I'm going to try and sharpen these and with a regular sharpener and try them out on a sketchbook and see how these 3 are. So I've got a regular sharpener and I'm going to try first with the soft one and let's see if I'm able to sharpen them well. Sometimes I've noticed that a lot of pencils don't sharpen very well with the regular ones and you'll probably need either a different style or you'll need a cutter to do them. So this is, I'm not sharpening it fully. I'm going to leave the tip this way for them because I don't want to break the tip. So the next one is the hard. And then we'll move on to the medium one. Okay. Oops. Yes, so here is the medium one. And we'll try these out individually on our sketchbook. So the soft, especially, I didn't want to sharpen it too much because if it is too soft, then it'll be very difficult to keep constantly sharpening it back again and figuring out because the tip might break. So here, so it's quite the charcoal is really sharp. The colors are really, the pigment is pretty strong, which is why it just like came on my hand immediately, even with sharpening. So always it's a good idea, sharpen them separately, keep your sketchbook separately, and then wash your hands and then probably try using them. So we're going to try the hard one first, and then we'll go to the medium, and then we'll go to the soft one. So this one that I'm going to try first is the hard. It is extremely coarse, the texture. It's like using, it doesn't feel like I'm using a pencil, it feels like I'm using something else, like a 6H pencil, if you guys have ever used that. This feels pretty hard that way. I'll have to probably figure out where I can use these the hard ones. Maybe, you know, if I want to create a texture like this where I want it not to be too strong, then the lines would be pretty nice that way. So we'll move on to the medium right now. So the medium feels exactly like this hard one currently. Very similar. Although it's slightly easier, I think, to do these shades in the medium one as compared to the hard one. And we'll move on to the soft. This is pretty dark, and yes, it's pretty smooth and soft. It's smoother than your regular pencil, that's for sure, and it's quite dark. So I think all of this residue here is from the soft one. So these are the 3 ones which are there. I'll probably try and make a lot of artwork with these and post the pictures on my Instagram account and maybe put up a tutorial here on YouTube. But this is how the 3 of them fare, the hard, medium and the soft. So far the hard and the medium look similar to me. Maybe once I make a couple of illustrations, I will have a better idea. So for the price, I think this is perfect. You could definitely try this out or try similar ones in a similar price range. Yes, these are definitely not similar or equal to the sticks that you get. The sticks are much more softer to use, but that is still advanced and it's for professionals. So maybe to start out, if you're a beginner, these are absolutely perfect for you to go out. Hope this video was useful to you. Do follow me on YouTube and also subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and view my artworks over there. Thank you.